It's 5:47. I almost couldn't turn the camera on quick enough. You see, I moved all the contracts to 89.75. Gonna try to take everything out there. I had that 89.50 as the other profit target, but thought that might have been a little aggressive. So anyway, we got filled. That trade was worth $16,000. That one trade. Now let me explain something here. For me to take the kind of position that I did there, that size, that volume, you'd need about $160,000 in a trading account. There are margins to be considered, and the exchange certainly just doesn't let you assume big positions like that unless you have a lot of money in your account. So to make a trade of that type, you'd need about $160,000 in your account. Obviously not that it was all at risk there. You could see I was using a 5-tick stop loss, and so not that it's all at risk when you're using stop losses like that, but in order to be able to take on that type of position, those are the type of dollars that you'd have to have in your account. Let me show you something else real quick. It ticked on 89.50, which is where we had that second profit target, but you can see that it did not trade through it, and in fact is I don't say bouncing. It may be too soon to say that, but it's you're showing that it traded up at 12.90, or flashing at least at 12.90. So it was a good trade. We got out at the right spot there, and it may continue down. It may well continue down, but I think if it does continue down, I think it's going to move up first. I think it could see a little bit of a bounce back up, and then a further move down. So that's why we got out where we did. Again, some may look at that and say, conservative play, but I'm going to look at it and say, $16,000, and it was kind of I don't want to say a total no sweat deal. But we didn't have to worry down here about pushing 89.50 and trying to get that last little bit out of it, and weren't piggish about it. So in any case, that's it. Whether I make any more trades or not tonight, I don't know. My wife's got a movie she wants to watch. It's Sunday night. I'll of course be back in here early tomorrow morning, early Monday. So I'm not sure whether I'll stay in here or whether this was the first and last trade of the evening for me Sunday night. But we'll see. You may see me again tonight, or certainly back in the morning.